What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys Ammo's new product, Frame Pro Trim Coat. A lot of you guys know on the Comanches, the TJs, the plastic flares over time just get super faded. What I used to use is Ammo Mud Tire Gel, which is kind of like a tire dressing, but it kind of would double as all of my plastic trim. It lasts a decent amount of time. I think it's water-based, so it doesn't last that long, especially if it's outside and things like that. This is kind of like a little bit more permanent solution, I guess you could say, to replacing mud. Mud will still obviously go on the tires, but the Frame Pro Trim Coat's supposed to, I think it's ceramic based, so it's going to kind of stay on there a little bit longer. So we're just going to show you guys kind of how it works. We're going to do it on my Comanche. We'll try it on the new parts truck Comanche. It's got a lot of like super faded trim, so that'll be interesting to see how well it brings back super faded trim. First, we're just gonna, you gotta wash off the Jeep. So I got a bucket of water with some Dawn dish soap. We're gonna wash it down, and I'll kind of show you guys right now just some befores of what all the trim pieces look like and how they're gonna look like after we're done. And then also, big shout out to Larry. So I had tried to order this off the website and it wasn't available to purchase. So I shot Larry an email and he said it actually was supposed to be in stock. So they're in stock now, but he ended up sending me a couple extra bags. So I'm gonna give away one of the bags to you guys. So all you have to do to get a bag is leave a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and then I'll ship out a bag to you. And we'll do it, maybe give it about a week for comments, and then I'll ship one of you guys out set so you guys can try it on your Jeeps and kind of see how it works. So anyway, so big thanks to Larry for sending me some extra bags. That was really nice. I figured I'd kind of give you guys a bag too. All right, so now we're just gonna take the little towel with some dish soap on it, and we're just gonna wipe down the flare to make sure there's no grease or any debris on there. Give it a good scrubbing. All right, so now that is done. Good thing to have is compressed air. Get some compressed air, and then we're just gonna blow this off just to make sure this is completely dry, so the Frame Pro can attach itself to the actual plastic. Alright, so now just get yourself some gloves. I don't think you're supposed to get that stuff on your skin at all, so grab just some standard gloves so you don't get it all over you. Okay, let's open this sucker up. Oh yeah, that's got an interesting smell to it. So we'll keep it nice and small here and get up close to the paint here. And then we're also gonna have a microfiber just in case you get a little bit on the paint. Just wipe it off and you're good to go. So we'll just go ahead and wipe this stuff. Just do nice motions here. Now, if you have something that's super faded, you might need a little bit more product. All right, so we're just gonna let that cure. It takes about an hour for it to fully cure before you wanna get it wet. So we're just gonna let it chill here. Actually, we'll go on the inside here, actually. Almost forgot. Doing a really nice job, actually. I'm very impressed with that. That literally looks brand new. That looks really nice. Cool. All right, so just finished coating the fender here. Looks great. Nice and black. It doesn't give like a super high gloss finish, which is really nice. So it's kind of similar to mud in that way, that it just kind of gives it a nice deep black look, which I like versus like the super high glossy stuff. But there's the front little trim piece there. Did the door handle here. That looks really nice as well. This thing turned out super nice. Nice and black. And this truck's in a little bit better shape, but we did all the plastic and rubber. That looks really good. So I'll show you a little bit more of an extreme here. So we got this side. That side I applied. And then this side is the faded one. Big difference. And I'll also show you guys right here. This one, I wasn't really impressed how well this one turned out. This one was like gray and nasty, and it literally looks brand new again. Here it is on the windshield or back window there. You can see that I kind of stopped here-ish. So it definitely gives it a nice deep black shine. This looks like it could use a little bit, maybe like another coat of it. But this is obviously super old. I mean, we're talking 30-year-old stuff here. All right, here's a 50/50 on the door handle here. So there's that side, then there's this side. Can really tell a difference on there. Here's another 50/50. That. And then nothing on it. All right, so that's gonna do it pretty much for the Frame Pro trim coat from Ammo. Big thanks to Larry for sending out me a couple extras. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you guys want a chance to get one of these, leave a comment down below, make sure you're subscribed. And then if you guys enjoyed the video, definitely like it, that helps me out a bunch. But yeah, so overall, I'm really impressed with it. It acts very similar to mud, but it's supposed to last a lot longer. If you watch Larry's video, he did his, I think like almost a year ago, he did part of his R8, and it seemed to last a long time. So definitely check out his video on this stuff as well. But I'm pretty impressed. I do like that it's in a little towelette. It makes it really easy to apply, which is kind of nice. I don't know, you definitely need to get a decent amount. So I was able to do all that I showed you with just one of those, and I was really pushing the last part of it where it was like kind of working, kind of not working. So you'll definitely go through a bunch of this, but it's supposed to last a long time. So you probably only have to do it once every 1 to 2 years. So at 15 bucks for a pack of 3, basically, that's not too bad. Definitely a little bit more expensive. This is the Pro line, so it's a little bit more expensive than like the standard line. But yeah, other than that, I definitely recommend it. It's pretty sweet. Like I said, if you have a TJ that's got faded fenders, you probably want to get, I would say probably 2 packs at the minimum. So you'll get basically six bags, basically. So you'll get 6 wipes. That would probably be enough to do the fenders and then maybe a couple of the trim pieces. But yeah, it's kind of a nice little option. If you don't feel like painting your fenders, you can definitely just throw this stuff on, and then yeah, kind of really does a really good job. So anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said before, definitely give it a thumbs up if it helped out. If you're not subscribed, definitely consider subscribing. That also helps me, and we'll see you guys in the next video.